We are back onto the 22nd event, one of the most illustrious and exciting events on the lineup. Group M Super Sport motorcycles 900cc up to 1000cc 4-stroke. And we have some very, very famous, old, experienced names on the track. Tony.
Yes, we have Basit Bakir on the Ducati Racing 1000cc. We have Damit Madhushankar in his Honda CBR 1000cc. Mahendra Fernando in his Ducati Panigale 1000cc. LHL Randeep Hansa in BMW RR 1000cc. Kushan Chamod in his Honda CBR 1000. S. Harish in his Kawasaki ZXR Racing 1000cc. Riza Odaya, one of the names to be mentioned. I will continue about Riza Odaya in his career while the race is on in his BMW HP 4000cc. Ishan Channa Edrisingha in his Honda CBR R 1000cc. And Chamindadi Silva, we saw him riding in the Supermotard as well along with Sangeet Suryage, who gave a good competition in his Aprilia RSV 4000cc. So it's going to be really, really hot. And number 61, it's Riza Odaya at the age of 52 years, timing the fastest in the timing event yesterday and holding on to grid position. So what a performance from him, and he has proven himself that age is no barrier for racing or whatever sport as it is, depending on how much committed you are and what you can do.
All lights are a go. We will see Riza Odaya on P1. This is going to be a very loud event. Beautiful start by all the front runners. The front line, but Riza had a bit of a moment at the race start, therefore he's already... Oh, somebody's chain is gone. Oh, competitor number 26. That is very unfortunate. No drive.
Well, it's none other than Randeep Hansa, competition number 26. Unfortunate for him, but all in all, everything happens for good. Just a matter of only losing the event today, but he's safe and sound.
Indeed, look at that, look at that. Wait for it. There he snaps the chain. Luckily, it did not fall on anybody else. Riza Odaya is quite... didn't get the start he wanted. Currently on P3.
But the race is wide open with 10 laps, and Riza has the capability that we have seen him with all his experiences for the last 20 plus years in riding. We know how capable he is. I saw him personally riding in Maldives as well and in so many other countries, but back to back, one of the top riders they have produced in Sri Lanka. And not forgetting this particular event, how nice and how interesting it was during the times of all the top racing drivers in the country. Like currently we don't see Pramukha Sesat, we don't see Nadun, we don't see Sriyan Samuel, we don't see the Gunawardana brothers, Jaden and Aaron, we don't see the Shoel and Ned Daniel in action on this. So there was a lot of action during those days when this 1000cc event was on. It was the happening years, as I told you earlier, since till 2019. But unfortunately, though, gradually, thanks to all the clubs in Sri Lanka, especially to SLARDAR, organizing this type of events and bringing back life to this 1000cc class.
We have our current race leader Kushan Chamud, followed by Ishan Chan Nedrisingha, and then we have Riza Odaya on P3. Dinesh.
කුෂාන් චමෝද් ඉතාමත්ම පරිවර්තනීය වෙනසක් සිදු කරමින් සමත්කම් දක්වනවා. දැනට ඉදිරියෙන් රැඳෙන්නට රේසා ඕඩයා. ඔබ මේ දකින්නේ ඔහුව තුන්වන තැන රැඳෙන්නේ. ආතිශය විශාල අත්දැකීම් සම්භාරයක් ඇති ජයග්‍රහණ රැසක් ඔහුගේ නම ඉදිරියේ ඇති ලංකාවේ සුප්‍රකටතාවකයා. නමුත් අද මේ වන විට තුන්වන තැන ඉදිරියෙන් මේ වන විට කුෂාන් චමෝද්.
Well, Riza, as very well told by Rukshan, Riza had a bad start, though he was on pole position. But mind you, Dinesh, I think you were not there in Macon. 52 years of age and holding on to this bike with 1000cc horsepower, power on him. So definitely, he is still fit enough, and age is no barrier for Riza Odaya.
1000cc racing bikes, pure beasts, tamed by very capable men. Here we have Rizodia P3, challenged by Chaminda De Silva,
Samantha De Silva.
challenging Rizodia into P3. What can Riza Odea do? Oh, he comes in very tight on the inside. Both are representing Helibeast Racing.
නමුත් තවදුරටත් තමන්ගේ තුන්වන ස්ථානය තහවුරු කරගන්නවා රීසා ඕඩියා චමින්ද ඩි සිල්වාගෙන් ප්‍රබල අභියෝගයක් චමෝද් කුෂාන් චමෝද් ඉදිරියෙන් මෙන්න නැවත වතාවක් චමින්ද ඩි සිල්වා ආක්‍රමණය සිදු කරනවා තාමත්ම මැනවින් රීසා ඕඩියා දැන් හතරවන තැන මේ අංක 40 කුෂාන් චමෝද් තරගයේ දැන් ඉදිරියෙන් රැඳෙන ධාවකයා හොඳ පැහැදිලි පරතරයක් නිර්මාණය කරගන්නවා දෙවැන්නාට වඩා
Premium quality auto refinishing solution you will ever need.
My trusted choice is MAXXIS tires.
We have Ishan Chan Singh on the second position so far, company number 88. And then we have Chaminda and Riza. Is Riza marking time? He's waiting for the right time. We wouldn't know. He's currently on P4. And we have the race leader, competitor number 40, Kushan Chamod, riding his Honda CBR 1000cc motorcycle.
We are into the fourth out of the 10-lap race. It's still wide open, Rukshan. We never know. Everything is possible with their capabilities and their experiences. And we saw in earlier two, water drive by Kushan Chamod as well as Chaminda, who did pretty well. So still no changes. Still remains the same, but there is a slight competition between the two Helibeast drivers, Riza and Chaminda, in third and fourth position.
But
the
now there's quite a significant gap between P1, P2, P3 and P4. Oh, that is Chaminda. He lost it almost. And now we have Riza Odea trying in on Chaminda. Chaminda company number 130. He's riding an Aprilia RSV4 1000cc motorcycle. All these motorcycles are 4-stroke, very powerful machines. Beasts rather. That's how they are known in the international motorcycle racing.
මේ දිගු ධාවන පතේට අවතීර්ණ වන විට පැයට කිලෝමීටර් 200කට ආසන්න වේගයක් මේ ධාවකයන් නඩත්තු කරනවා. නමුත් සමහරවිට මේ රූපරාම දෙස බලා සිටින විට ඔබට නොහැඟෙන්නට පුළුවන් ඒසා විශාල වේගයක් ඔවුන් රඳවා තබා ගන්නවාද කියා විශ්වාස කරන්න ප්‍රිය මිතුරනි. ඔව් ඒක එහෙමයි. ඔවුන් ආධික වේගයක් සිලින්ඩර් ධාරිතාවයේ දහසක් ආදි බලති යතුරු පැදිය ඔවුන් මෙසදා භාවිතා කරන්නේ ප්‍රධාන මාර්ගයට අවතීර්ණ වූ විට මේ නැමි සහිත කලාපය පසු කරමින් ඔවුන්ගේ වේගය පැයට කිලෝමීටර් 200කට ආසන්නයි.
Indeed, Dinesh, you know, one of the most fastest motorcycles on planet, competing right here at Katukurunda circuit, May 2023, powered by Nippon Paint. Live coverage brought to you by PitPass, both on YouTube PitPass channel and on Facebook.
Well, the current leaders P1 and P2 dominated by the Honda CBR 1000. Then we have Chaminda, who is also Chamod, correction, it should be Chamod on his Honda CBR. But Riza Odaya has always been, he has been loving this motorcycle, the BMW HP4 1000cc. So it's all happening here at Katukurunda, and the race continues. We are into the 7 out of the 10 lap race, and right at the back we can see a little bit of competition between the others. And number 88, as at now, Ishan Channa Idrisinga, getting closer to the ones at the back. So it's 88 Channa, Ishan Channa Idrisinga.
Has Harish been lapped by both the front runners, Chamod and Channa? This is the back marker who's been lapped, and we are still riding with the front runners. Company number 40, Kushan Chamod, followed in by Ishan Channa Singha. Ishan is riding a Honda CBR RR 1000cc motorcycle. And Chamindri Silva, campaign number 130, is not to be seen so far. The P1, P2, P3, first, second and third has managed to pull up quite a significant gap to each other. And here we have our race leader Kushan Chamod, and then comes Channa Singha. Passes us where the committee boxes are going into the cops corner. Here we have the two LB's riders.
නවවන තරඟ වටේට තැන් තරඟකරුවන්ගේ අවතීර්ණය කෙසේ වෙතත් තවමත් ඉදිරියෙන් රැඳෙන්නේ වෙන්න කිසිවෙකු නොවේ. කුෂාන් චමෝත් ආරම්භයේ සිටම ප්‍රබල තරඟ රටාවක් ඔහු පෙන්නුම් කරමින් ඉන්නවා. මෙන්න ඒ අතරතුරේදී රීසා ඕඩයා සහ චමින්දනි සිල්වා අතර සටනින් රීසා ඕඩයා නැවත වතාවක් පෙරමුණ තහවුරු කරගන්න සමත්කම් දක්වනවා. දැන් සටන තිවුණුයි නැවත වතාවක් හතරවන ස්ථානයේ රීසා ඕඩයා වයස අවුරුදු 52ක් දාශක ගණනාවක් තිස්සේ ලංකාවේ මේ ධාවන පතේ කළඹවාලු ධාවකයා ආදේ තරම සුබ දවසක් නොවේ. හතරවන ස්ථානයේ තවමත් ඔහු ප්‍රමුඛයා මේ වන විට කුෂාන් චමෝත් ඉන් අනතුරුව ඊශාන් චන්න එදිරිසිංහ දෙවන ස්ථානයේ පසුපස හැරී බලනවා තමන්ගේ ස්ථානයේ තහවුරු කර ගැනීම සඳහා ඉන් අනතුරුවයි චමින්දනි සිල්වා සහ රීසා ඕඩයා.
Well, not forgetting Madhuranga Caldera at one corner. He must be really enjoying this because this was one of his pet events. Enjoying this back-to-back, the 1000cc, no matter where it was, whether it was in Pannala, whether it was in Mirigama, whether it was a road race, whether it was a night race, it doesn't matter to him, but he was always there enjoying the ride with this 1000cc class. But on retirement, his son has come into place, but long way to go for him to get into a 1000cc bike. So the race continues. We are into the final lap in event number 22, which is the Super Sport motorcycle 900cc up to 1000cc. Third and fourth places between the Helibis, Riza and Chaminda. They are fighting. Can they make a difference? Can Riza come into the third place by trying to improve better than Chaminda? So it is number 40, Kushan Chamod, number 88, Ishan Channa Singha. And all done. They take the checkered flag.
දෙවන හැටියට ඊශාන් චන්න ඉදිරිසිංහ තරගය නිවා කරන්න මේ ජයග්‍රාහකයා කුෂාන් චමෝද අභියෝගයකින් තොරව ආරම්භ කළ මොහොතේ සිට පෙරමුණේ රැඳෙමින් ජයග්‍රාහක නාමාවලියේ ඉදිරියෙන් රැඳෙන්න ඔහුට හැකියාවක් ලැබුණා. ඉන් අනතුරුව තුන්වැන්නා චමින්දනි සිල්වා රීසා ඕඩයා අද හතරවන තැන.
PitPass, beyond the track.